Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a Windows File Explorer fully transparent for free. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to check my video description for this download link. Scroll down and check this release x64 zip file and download it. After getting download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, double click on the release. This register, just right click on it and select run as administrator and select yes. And now there is DLL has been added. Now just click on OK. And now Windows Explorer will be restart. And now open up File Explorer. Go to Downloads. Double click on the release folder. Double click on the config. If config file is not open up, just right click and select Open With and select Notepad. And now in A, you just need to type 0 and select file and select save option and just close stuff here and reopen the file explorer. And this is the final look of the transcolor file explorer, guys. If you want to uninstall this transcolor file explorer and back to default, go to downloads, double click on the release folder. Now right click on the uninstall and select run as administrator and select yes. And now has been uninstalled. It will automatically restart the Windows Explorer. Open up Windows Explorer and there we go. Here is the default Windows 11 file explorer. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.